Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to file TDR ticket deposit receipt on IRCTC app. Friends, TDR is the process of claiming refund for the book ticket from Indian Railways. The refund process will take at least 60 days and more. Friends, recently I filed a TDR for my train that is more than 3 hours late. So friends, in this video you will learn how to file TDR. So at first you have to open IRCTC app in your mobile phone. Now you have to tap on login button so that you can log into the IRCTC app. Now you have to provide the IRCTC credential so that you can log into your IRCTC app. After that you have to tap on train icon which is located top left corner. Once the ticket is fetched, you will see the list of the trains where you have booked your tickets. Now tap on the trains for that you want to file TDR, and after that you have to select all the passengers, and then you have to tap on File TDR which is located bottom of the screen, and then you have to select the region. On the top you will see train late more than 3 hours and passenger not travelled, and difference of fare in case proper coach not attached. You will see various reasons are there. You have to select the suitable reasons, and for late trains you can use train late more than 3 hours option, and then you have to tap on File TDR option, and then you have to tap on again yes, do you really want to file TDR. See, you TDR file successful, you will get a TDR number. So friends, in this way you can file TDR on IRCTC app. You will get an email to your registered email ID regarding the EDR refund confirmation and the amount to be refunded. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.